everyone! Today we will be doing a milk color burst activity. Let's begin. So for this activity, you'll need some plates, some food coloring. If you go to the store, next to the baking aisle, you might find some food coloring, and you'll need some, what's this called? Milk. And you will also need some detergent, dishwashing liquid. Some dishwasher liquid and some Q-tips of any kind. Pour the milk into the plates. Make sure, actually no, it's fine. Next, squeeze out some food coloring onto the milk. In small quantities because we don't want to add too much. If your color sinks, just make sure to shake the plate up a little bit so the colors would move. So just slightly, because if some colors go to the bottom, you shake it up a little bit and then they're going to show up. Next, you're going to take your dishwashing liquid, take a Q-tip, and just like so. Take your Q-tip and just lightly press it onto the milk. Then your color is going to burst. So, how or why does this activity work? Well, when the soap comes in contact with the fat and protein from the milk, it causes a chemical reaction, resulting in this experiment. Parental supervision is required, and I hope you guys have fun. Thank you!